The blossom for peaches is at its peak. Farmers take care of these beautiful orchards throughout the year until peaches reach their full ripeness. The timing of the harvest is a key point, as it directly impacts the flavor, texture, and overall quality of the fruit. Here, these men are working hard to harvest fresh peaches and give us the exact crispiness we all crave. Finally, they are ready to dispatch for further touch-ups. The natural sugars in peaches can help boost your mood and give you a little pick-me-up when you need it most. Once they reach the dedicated units, simple machinery is applied to load and unload the pile of peaches directly into the unit's threshold. Here, they're greeted by an initial washing process to ensure they're free from any dirt, residue, or impurities picked up during their time in the orchard. Now, these people are responsible for keeping an eye on the fruits until they get their thorough inspection. They will be passed on to different sorts of belting systems with several designs and huge fans, which will further help to clean the peaches entirely. You can see how these wonderful machines have systematically placed the peaches in proper lines. There it is, the perfectly clean, shiny, and beautiful fruit treasure, ready to come your way. In some cases, the peaches may undergo additional treatments, such as waxing or coating, to enhance their appearance and extend their shelf life. These treatments create a protective barrier that helps prevent moisture loss and microbial growth, ensuring that the peaches remain fresh and delicious for longer periods. When it comes to delicious canned peaches, the journey begins with the careful selection of only the finest fruit. Only the juiciest, ripest peaches are cut. They use marvelous technologies and procedures to can the fresh peaches. But first, let's just talk about some of the health benefits they give. We must consume this fresh fruit, nature's gift, because it scares away dull, dry skin and gives it a peachy glow. Actually, peaches are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that help nourish your skin from the inside out, leaving you looking fresh and radiant. In some factories, they involve one more important step, which is peeling, ensuring that only the succulent flesh makes its way into the cans. However, here they leave the skin on the fruit so it remains crispy and fresh whenever we consume it. The skin is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Once the industrial ovens bake the wafer sheets to perfection, the huge chocolate depositor comes into action and evenly spreads a thick layer of the yummiest rich chocolate over the wafer sheet. The wafers are neatly cut and ready to pack, so at least we can buy them in the nearest superstore. Right, let me be clear. Aside from their irresistible crunch and delicious flavor, I think banana chips are a convenient and portable snack that can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. Chips and snacks are often misunderstood as an unsuitable way of consuming tons of oil, but not every time, buddy. Banana chips, if air-fried properly, are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. Actually, potassium helps to counteract the effects of sodium in the body, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart disease and stroke. However, it's important to note that banana chips can also be high in calories and fat, especially if they are fried or coated in sugar. So, they should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Plus, they contain vitamin C and B6, which play key roles in immune function and energy metabolism. So, in general, just avoid overeating and stay healthy, because you really are precious to us. Hey beauties, enjoying my video? If yes, then please help me reach at least 1 million. You know it's not that difficult. We are just 99,999 figures away. We really need your one like. That can change our whole life. Check out that like button, which is glowing right now and waiting for you to hit it for us. Don't forget to appreciate this amazing food automation that prepares more than 10,000 ready-to-eat meal trays every day. Now we are here in the fried onion factory that makes more than 1 million tons of crispy fried onions every day. It's not that simple because, generally speaking, the drying process takes several hours to complete before frying. Let the automatic machinery beautifully place the packaging boxes for them. Here, The dried, or as some would say, fried, onions are ready to be packed. They're crispy, yummy, and make everything better. So, whether it's topping, garnishing, or snacking, fried onions are the secret weapon that makes every dish delicious. Fried onions are the amazing secret ingredient for topping them on a salad for a crunchy twist, adding a savory punch to your favorite sandwich, or enhancing the flavor of soups, stews, and curries. You know, the word cookie itself comes from the Dutch word which means little cake. Well, it is my cute little cake and even a happy meal. It's believed that cookies originated in Persia around the 7th century when they were first made using a simple mixture of flour, water, and sugar. Over time, this humble recipe evolved into the countless varieties of cookies we enjoy today.